Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to make flash warning video on Instagram. So with the help of this video you can create such video just in 20 seconds. You don't need any third-party application or any application. You can create this video from Instagram application itself. So first of all you need to click on this plus icon here and go to story section here. Okay, so now after going to this story section, select any filter you like, then press on this arrow icon here and click on browse effect. So here you need to search as flash warning. So now here different type of flash warning will come up here. So you can try different one and you can use whichever you like. So for now I will show you 2 to 3 different. So first of all I will check with this one, the first one here you can see. So to use this, click on try it. Here you can see. Now you need to press on this middle icon and you can see how this effect work. So this was the first one, and in same way you can find the different. For example, I will go with the second one here. I will click on try it. So here you can see this is how you can create this video from Instagram application itself. So use whichever you like and post it in your Instagram stories or in Instagram reels. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.